Welcome to the BYU Salt Lake Center. In this video, I'll explain how to use the TEC or TEC Podiums or TEC display screens you'll see in the classrooms. Let's get started. This is a photo of a TEC display. They're usually located on the walls or podiums at the front of classes. This is the TEC display touchscreen. There are touch-sensitive buttons on the right side. The buttons are power, home, brightness of the TEC display, and up and down arrows. Usually the up and down arrows will be for adjusting the output volume. Down here you might see some power outlets, video inputs, and a yellow HDMI jack input. Most TEC Podiums will have HDMI cords built into them, but if you prefer to use your own, you can plug yours into this yellow HDMI slot. Now let's talk about the main TEC display menus. As indicated, press the screen to start. This is the Display tab. This is usually your main menu that will appear when the system turns on. These buttons change what this TEC panel is controlling. The device control works like a remote for the DVD player or IPTV. Audio control directly controls the audio output so you can make it different from the other output. By default, they are the same, but if you are having audio trouble, you might want to check that tab. This box will show which input type is currently displaying on the screen. By default, it is set to blank. If you would like the projector to display what is on your provided classroom computer, click the TEC PC button. Use these buttons to choose which input will display on the screen. Cables are color-coded to match the buttons on the screen. When plugging in an external laptop, the HDMI cable is the best one to use. This slider controls the volume. You can drag the marker up and down to raise and lower the volume. The button with the speaker up top will mute or unmute the sound if you click on it. Now let's look at the Device Control tab. This section controls either the DVD or Blu-ray player or the IPTV input. Use the buttons like a remote to change channels or navigate menus. Now let's look into the Audio Control tab. This section controls the audio. You shouldn't usually have to use this tab, but if you want to show images from one source and audio from another, or want audio without an image, you should come here. Also, if your audio isn't playing, you might try coming here after checking to see that the volume is up and unmuted. This button will turn off the display on the projector screen and make audio only play from the selected source. And those are the basics for the TEC displays. Thank you for watching.